Constipation in babies can be stressful for both parents and little ones. When a baby is constipated, they may strain, cry, have hard or dry stools, or go several days without a bowel movement. Here are some quick and gentle ways to help relieve constipation in babies and support healthy digestion. One of the first and easiest ways to relieve constipation is gentle tummy massage. Lay your baby on their back and softly rub their belly in a clockwise motion using your fingertips. The clockwise direction follows the natural movement of the intestines. You can also try the I love you massage technique, where you gently trace the letters I, L, and U on your baby's belly. This type of massage helps move trapped gas and stool through the intestines. Doing this for a few minutes several times a day can make a big difference. Baby bicycle exercises can help relieve constipation and gas. Gently hold your baby's feet and move their legs in a circular, bicycling motion. It's best to do this about an hour after feeding to prevent spit up. You can also try the happy baby pose, a yoga position where you bring your baby's feet to the outside of their body and gently rock them back and forth. Another technique is the wind relieving pose, where you stretch your baby's legs out, bring the knees together, and then gently tuck them into the belly. These exercises help move gas and stimulate bowel movements. Baby probiotic drops support digestion and help relieve constipation by promoting a healthy balance of gut bacteria. First, shake the bottle well before using it. Remove the cap and replace it with the provided dropper. The thick, yellowish consistency contains prebiotic ingredients that further support digestion. Give 5 drops per day to your baby, either directly into their mouth or mixed with breast milk or formula. Regular use helps relieve constipation, strengthens the immune system, and promotes more comfortable bowel movements. A warm bath can also help relax your baby's muscles. Let your baby sit in warm water for about 10 to 15 minutes while you supervise closely. After the bath, you can gently massage their tummy again for better results. Mommy's Bliss Constipation Ease gently relieves constipation, supports healthy digestion, and promotes natural, comfortable bowel movements. To use, give the recommended amount based on your baby's age using the provided syringe directly into your baby's mouth. This product helps support healthy digestion, softens stools, and promotes overall comfort and well-being. Call your pediatrician if your baby has not had a bowel movement for several days and seems very uncomfortable. Seeking medical advice helps ensure your baby stays healthy and receives the care needed for relief and comfort. By staying calm and using safe, proven methods, you can help your little one feel comfortable and happy again.